Are you looking to lose weight? The easy breakfast? Here I bought an easy and quick recipe which tastes yum. Hey all, welcome to AyurHealth Recipes. Today I have easy and simple must-try overnight oats. It's a healthy breakfast. Come, let's start the video. The required ingredients are 1 cup of granola oats, 1 ripe banana, 3 dates, half cup of almond milk, apple, yogurt, soaked chia seeds, oats. It's high in minerals, proteins, fibers. Oats are high with protein of 11 to 15%. It helps in reducing the belly fat rapidly, keeps stomach full, improves immunity. Almond milk, it's an enriched with high in vitamin D, low in calories. Banana are rich in nutrients, packed full of antioxidants. This fruit helps to support your digestion and weight loss. Apples helps in smooth the bowel movements, helps to fight weakness, cure all respiratory problems, controls diabetes. Yogurt provides a stronger immune system, provides digestion, strengthens the bones and teeth. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, full of fiber and minerals. To start with, pour granola oats in a glass, chia seeds, yogurt, almond milk. Mix all the ingredients, add maple syrup, refrigerate overnight. Take out in the morning, mix once, add banana pieces, dry fruits, chia seeds, maple syrup and enjoy for breakfast. Guys, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let me know your feedback in comment section below. Have the notification bell on. Thanks for watching.